Alright. Add my tags back in. Alright. And make sure that doesn't work. Understood. Yep, I'm not gonna worry about it. I have to do this again. This. Ah, that's right. Do it from here. Hold on. What? Hold on, it's telling me that I'm gonna have 30 seconds of ads every, like, 6 minutes or something. There we go. Alright, we're good. Got concerned for a minute. My last... Where's my music? Where did it go? This. My extensions. Soundstripe. Enabled. Sorry, I thought I was all set up. Head back here and choose the quick action. But there's no quick action. Oh. Okay. Interesting. Right. Sorry for the jump scare. There we go. And I turn that down a little bit. Now, we should be good to go. Alright. So, in the last stream, we almost got this working. We got this script done, which theoretically works. Theoretically. Yeah, so now we gotta swap over here. Hold on, I have a bunch of random stuff open. I don't need this. Whoops. I want my music back. Okay. I can close these. And this. Alright, so now I need to make something that actually takes this array and actually places the tiles from it. Which means new script. Maze handler. Sorry, what naming convention are we using? This one. Good old snake case. Yes. And then open Godot. There we go. Okay. Oh, I forgot to open the so I can see chat. I'm a mess, guys. I'm a mess. I am a mess. Twitch. Let's see. Okay. Okie. So I just need to remember how to use the C# button. Yeah. I don't even really have that many variables. Yes, so I need to call the functions from C# into G. Alright, here's one thing that I missed with my code, is that this thing up here is not correct. That should be fine now. Because otherwise it wasn't going to actually like make it properly. Um Calling methods are converted to properties with their respective name. Oh. Hmm. Right. Uh, eh. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to call the script. Ah, I was on the wrong page, that's why I couldn't find it. Okay. All GDScript methods from Sharp. Need to use Godot object.call. First argument of the called method is an array. You need to cast it as an object. Fuck. Why? Why? Oh, okay. Never mind. This is the C# code. But that's not a class. Like a singleton or something. Well, I guess they're all classes technically in C#, so. What is this class called? Maze generator. Must be loaded from disk to access them. This is done using either load or preload. Okay. Alright. That's easy enough. We just have to const maze gen maze gen script is equal to preload maze generator.cs. And there's no semicolons in this language. Okay, and then once it's loaded, then I would just call maze gen script dot should just be the method name, which is generator. Is there like a... Is there like a thing, because I'm used to using Visual Studio. Yeah, it has this. Expected identifier and class body. Well, yeah. Anyways. Not before I do that. This one. Func. Place. Maze. Then it just needs the maze script we already have. Expected indented block after function declaration. I do have indented block. What are you talking about? I need to... Alright, pseudocode or to-do list or whatever. I need to generate the maze, loop through array, place walls, tiles in array. Oh, did I do... Okay, so I do have V in and V out. Yes, I do. Okay. So I should also have that in the G script. Save the script. Alright. Now we can actually go back to GD script. So, this is just to preload the script, and I have the ready function, and then I'm trying to... I need something to save in objects. Oh, ads. Place tiles in array. I need to, you know what? I need to modify the C# real quick. Hold on, I'll give this another few seconds. Make sure everybody's out of the ads. Okay, are we back from the ads? Okay. So what I need to do is, I currently am passing in the entrance and exit locations, but I won't have the exit location until the maze is built, which means I don't need that. And then... I need to generate the exit. Yeah, generate the exit. So, what was the random thing that I made before? Where's random? Random. Need a new random. So we can just create this whenever the thing is loaded, and we can just use it wherever, which is good because I need it in multiple places. Here. This is where I need to be. How do you use this again? ng.next. Okay. Int new exit new exit. I'm just gonna use snake case in both. I'm gonna real quick change all my variable names. I'd rather have it be consistent, even though it's two scripting languages. I'd rather have the naming convention be consistent across them. So I'm going to do that real quick. That one, name. This is an identifier. Why can I not rename this? There we go. Okay. Oh hey, my Discord notifications are back to normal. I'm gonna rename the function as well. Rename, add walls. Yeah. Hello, welcome back. Good to see you. You did not miss us getting it working, to be clear. Because I forgot that I don't know how to make things place down properly. Queen, 0, and screen size. Yeah, I'm a little tired today. I've been getting up earlier than normal lately. So, combine that with I stay up way too late. Not enough sleep. I'm fine now. I have just enough energy to either be entertaining or be productive. So I have to switch between the two. Can't do both at the same time today. Exit. So that'll give us... Okay. If new exit... No. If maze... screen size, comma, new exit. Did I not change screen size? Silly me. Rename. Cleaning some stuff up. There. Alright, if that is equal to... Oh, no. If screen size -1 in the x-axis is equal to true, so I don't need that. waste of coded space. Then new exit. Oops. Exit minus minus. All right. Yeah. I have music on, but I have it really, really low. So. So it's there if people really want to hear it and listen to the same thing I'm listening to, but if you want to listen to your own, it's not like disruptive or anything. Am I on the right? I am. Okay. So this is if file to left of exit is full, move exit down 1. And I'm going to add an if new exit minus minus is less than 2. And we do exit plus plus. Whoops. Okay. Should be good. How did I do that? How did I switch the brackets around? Interesting. Alright. Move exit up. Okay. We have that fail safe. Okay. Alright. Now we can go back to GD script. So I also need to find an exit. Save. Enter. Okay. Alright, so first things first, if I need to entrance. If entrance if entrance equals null, Then, oops, was 0. Okay, just in case. Now we can do maze_gen dot new. Wait, I should do that up here. Right? Good. Reference my thing. Class can contain inner classes. Inner classes are defined using the class keyword there instead. Oh. So it should just be .generate. And I don't need that. Right? 8%. You're getting there. Could not be found in base. Yeah, because it's not in base. Did I do something wrong? Did I make it private? Hold on, I might have made it private. Oh, it's public. Hey, Glad. Why do you have something in C# and in GD script? Every language has its pluses and minuses, if you know what I mean. Like, every language has something good and something bad going for it. C#, first of all, I'm more experienced with C#, but also it runs faster after it compiles. And I think just in general, I haven't checked that though. And I don't know how heavy this this system is going to be on computation power. So I'm doing it in C# so that in case it is super laggy, it will be slightly less laggy. Hi. Sorry, I'm sitting here looking at the, Wait, what? I have to create a script node. I'm looking at how to, make this work. Script can be instantiated. It is new. You lied to me, internet. maze_gen script dot new. maze_gen node maze_gen node equals maze_gen script new. Then I can do maze_gen node dot generate instead of maze_gen script dot generate. And that, yeah, okay, that fixes it. Okay, what do I need? I need the entrance, so we can just throw that in there. And we need screen size, which we can just... Why did I const Screen size file equals 32. And look, I am known for writing really bad code. Like really bad code. Because I use if I show you, um, I use an absurd amount of loops and if statements. So loop, loop, if with a nested if else, two ifs, an if statement with a for loop with an if statement, with an else with a for loop with an if statement. Um, yeah, my code takes a long time to run. So the graphics is not what I'm worried about. I'm worried that the code that I have written is going to take way too long to run just because of how I have created it. But I mean, you're right. Most computers probably can handle it without a single frame being missed. Um, okay, and this is going to give us an array, which I need to look up how... Sorry, put that back on. I need to look up how the GD script arrays work. Ah. Mm-hmm. It's a typed array from the base array. I don't know. I don't know how bad my code is going to be. It might be that bad. I don't know yet. Uh, and may. Yes, thank you. Hello. What? Turns to samurai. Expected end statement after equals. I don't understand how their arrays work. I don't know what I'm doing, in case it wasn't clear. Alright. What methods do we have? Method. Append, assign, duplicate. What is duplicate? That is not what I'm looking for. Can I just... Oh, that's easier. I was making that more complicated than it needed to be. Okay. Uh... Okay, so now we have our maze here. I'm losing it. Is there no... Ah. To double check this. Not like parentheses. So we'll remove it. Um... Yeah. How the fuck does she get it? File map. What was I doing again? Placing. I need to place. That cell. That's easy. Okay, so that should give us the tile map, and this should be set cell. Set cell, layer. Okay, how do I see what we have? Layers. Walls. Backy. Oh. Sneak attack ads. My apologies. I need some coffee. I need. Yeah. Walls. So I guess that's index 1. How do I know what position is in? Where? Get layer. Get layer. Z index. Fuck, no. Get layer name. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it real quick. Self.get parent dot get layer name 1, and I'm just gonna print that. What is happening? Why did it start running? Why do I have 9,000 error or 8,000 errors? What is this? I have an idea of what that is. I just need to know what layer. I don't know what it's trying to do though. It's not my script because unless it's giving 7 error messages per tile. I don't know. That's probably fine. We're going to attach. Is it already attached? It is not already attached. Why did you say it's not attached then? Okay, nothing should show up. Invalid call, non-existent function in base node 2D. God damn it. Dot. Maybe get node parent? Dot do I'm trying to figure out how to access. So self is supposed to reference the current script, right? So self.parent would be the tile map. And I need data from the tile map and to be able to edit the tile map. And I know I could like do based off of the tile map's name, but I don't that feels really messy to me. I don't like that. Press F1 and search parent. Parent. What is this? Ah. Ah, thank you. Alright. That is useful. I didn't know that this was a thing. The argument should be that name does not have max extension. You could, I could, send a signal. But apparently it's supposed to, allow me access. So I don't know why it's, maybe I'm doing something wrong. But get parent is supposed to give me, you know what if I just do self? Maybe I'm understanding wrong. Self dot no, because self is of type. Yeah, so it does need to be get parent. But then no, I don't need an array. Okay, this does return a node. What the fuck? Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, it does just freak out if you add, links. Why are you... The fuck? Hold on. Thank you for the follows, but why are you getting timed out? Hold on. Why is this person getting timed out? I understand that you timed him out. I'm asking why. Yeah, but it was timing out your messages before that. Oh, you know what? No, it probably deleted everything before the link. Yeah. I can still click the link. Hold on. Gosh. Yeah, this helps. I did this one on a different stream, but it doesn't have, the specific stuff I'm looking for. Self-references the node the script is attached to. It does? Okay. Yeah, then I shouldn't... Should I be able to do get node? Get node... dot... What was I doing again? Get... player... name... close. Why? Too few arguments, get node expected a call. Say what? What does get node expect? Node path. It. Del. Get. Yeah, get player name. I know it doesn't exist in Node 2D. The idea is that... can I... delete this? Create of type file map. Put that in. And then print map.get layer name this. Search obscene unique nodes. Hold on, what the fuck? Okay. Like this. Why is it grumping about this though? I didn't... First of all, for that shit. Well, you're still a week ahead of me. Line 8, expected statement after expression found identifier instead. This? No. This? No. What if I do get tree dot get scene tree. Ah, 3D land is, yeah. It's pretty similar though. Guess you just don't have like, you wouldn't have tile maps though. Change scene, get node. Dot find world 2D. What? Your name is on screen. Why is that crazy? I mean, you followed, didn't you? Let's see, let's see, let's see. How do I access objects? Oops. Node path. Get node, unique node. Script, use get node with a hard-coded node path. Access a unique name. Here we go. Oops. Then rename to maze tile map. Okay. The node will have a percent symbol. Now if you do get node, you can type percent followed by the node's name. Wonderful. So now I should be able to do percent maze tile map. Look at that. Not. How about that? God damn it. What? Hey. Oh, I didn't put a... Oh, what the... What? I'm silly. Don't... Don't worry about me, I'm just a little silly. Okay, so I want... Hold on. Oh my god, and after all of this, I can just fucking hover over it and it says it right there. I'm so fucking stupid. God damn it. Okay. Yep, it's layer 1 that I'm looking for. Okay. I need coordinates. Oh my goodness. I didn't think about how to do this. Hmm. Vector 2I. Oh my goodness, there is an int. Because vector 2I would be using integer coordinates. Yeah. It would slash v2 vector 2I. Yeah, but how do I inherit it? Hmm. I was gonna swap to vector 2I in the C sharp, but I don't think it's worth it because it doesn't seem. There has to be some other library that I have to import or something. Although I don't know if I have a choice if I need. vector 2i. I do not have access to this. What the fuck? Any ideas? Although I doubt anybody using Godot uses C# like this, so... Corrects default analyzed. Oh my goodness. Please. I just want to work. Okay, I need to see what size. Oops. What size that is. Unless that's what I'd set in here. Oh. That tells me not what I need to know. 70 pixels by 70 pixels, so is that the same as just 70? Are pixel size and world size consistent? I mean, I guess we can assume so. A little bit. It's hard because so many of these things like don't work like how I expect them to. Um, so I'm trying to like right now I'm trying to figure out what if I do this? X. How do I do a regular for loop? Like just simple stuff like that where it's taking longer than it normally would just because I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, that sounds hard. Being a manager is not fun. Just any sort of management of people. I might have to change how I'm handling the arrays, just because I don't see any support for multi-dimensional arrays in GD script, and that is what I used. So I might have to do a array of arrays and just have the X be the first array and the Y be the second array or something like that. Yeah, it's... Oh. I cannot read this website. Potato is staring at you. I mean, it do that. It's a potato. I don't know what to tell you. Potatoes stare a lot. Just sort of look straight ahead and don't do anything or say anything. Nested typed arrays aren't supported. Fuck. So I can't do a nested array. But other people are using a nested array. That has to be an old... Oh, that's 2018. Oh, whoops. My phone died. Also use... I mean, I know how to use a 1D array like a 2D array. I just don't want to because it sucks. I don't have to code all of that. Unless... No, I return a regular array of vector 2's. Hmm. Creating a maze, I feel like A star or some other algorithm will maybe even more complex to code. Uh, yeah, the difference with A star and pathfinding algorithms is that I understand how those work. I, uh, I am, this is the first time I've used this algorithm before, so I'm not even sure if I understand it properly, let alone actually implemented it properly. Like, we'll find out, I guess. But I saw some implementations of like mazes using A star or something that was based off of A star, but I would rather use something specifically made for mazes first. Uh, Tile is going to be... If I remember correctly, I can do this. I cannot do that. About that algorithm that makes one tile go random. Hold on. One. What about that algorithm that makes one tile go random, creating walls, and when it gets stuck, it respawns? Um, yeah, I could do that, but I was talking earlier about how inefficient my code is, and that's when I'm making an efficient algorithm. So I can't imagine how bad it would be if I was making an inefficient algorithm with bad code. I mean, if this doesn't work, I could always change the algorithm, you know. Um, Honestly, the algorithm was the easy part because I'm able to make it in C sharp, and I don't have to like constantly look up every single part of every phrase that I want to do. I'm more confident that the algorithm will work than actually being able to place tiles. So we'll see. I did look at that one. Um, so the idea is that you'll only be able to see a part of the maze at once. Uh, so it sort of measures it by screens. So you'll have the screen that you're currently in, and then like two forward and one back. Maybe two back, I don't know. But since you're constantly going from left to right, um, as like the pieces of the maze um, like go off to the left side, uh, you shouldn't ever go back that direction. So, um, 4D Pac-Man, no. What are you talking about? I ain't doing 4D Pac-Man. No, the idea is that parts of the maze will spawn and then despawn after you've completed them. So will it will be infinite in the sense that if you survive for forever, then you just keep going. But not infinite in the fact that there is an infinite maze loaded all at once. Forward in 2D game. Yeah, sure. Oh, this should be a fairly simple thing to make. Um, like I said, I'm literally making this whole thing because it's something that I know I would be able to make in Unity, which is what I'm used to. Um, so I'm just trying to get to a higher level of experience in Godot, which is, you know, what I'm not used to, but am now using. So again, like this is something that I should absolutely be able to do. It's just a matter of how long it's going to take. Yeah, I switched when they did the funny. Yeah, I know they fixed some of the stuff that like were issues, but like at this point, the fact that they were willing to ignore every single person um, that uses their engine and makes their engine what it is, it makes me not trust them. Yeah, if I thought that I could trust that they wouldn't make future changes that would screw people over, I would have kept with Unity. Because honestly, what they have right now is not that big a deal. The problem isn't what they currently have in place. The problem is, are they trustworthy to not just change what they have in place? You know? So, I, uh, I didn't trust them. I decided that I didn't want to deal with that. So, yeah, I was in the middle of two projects when all of the drama happened. Yeah, it also just has to do with like yeah, it's more the principle of it, you know. Um, yeah, so like I didn't want to deal with it. I had two projects in the middle of it that due to the fact that I was working with a company at the time to make it, it would have been we would have actually had to pay money, and I wasn't interested in that. We couldn't afford it, so we had to scrap the two projects. Yeah, I wasn't. It was a very frustrating time because we couldn't afford what Unity wanted from us. Um, Meaning no project, meaning no job. So this is my first real like comeback to game dev since then. Um, so I'm trying to make it work. We'll see. We'll see how it ends up. But yeah, I mean, obviously, I prefer Unity in the sense of I'm used to it. I know how everything works. I've been using it for years. But there's a lot that Godot offers that Unity didn't have. Um, so I'm not gonna say that like Unity is better for whatever reason, because it definitely has stuff that's better than Godot. Uh, but I think in general, Godot it makes things work better from what I've found. A lot of Unity systems are super clunky because they just try to implement like out of the box systems for every possible scenario. And as a result, all of those systems are medium to low quality instead of just focusing on specific things that everybody uses instead of, very niche parts like tile maps. They really nailed down the tile map system. Unity's tile maps suck. They're garbage. Um, I don't know how Godot's tile maps handle performance, but yeah, the 2D versus 3D is actually the reason I learned Unity instead in the first place. Was because that seems to be the consensus of Godot is the place to go for 2D, but 3D Unity is still better. Um, which is also partially why I chose a 2D game to start with, because I didn't want to immediately get put off from Godot uh, because of incomplete 3D stuff. Alright, what was I doing? You got me to rant without even submitting the rant the rant reward. I'm in the wrong thing. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm trying to figure out how this. Damn it. Figure out how this shit works. Uh. Okay, and then I settled on that, and now I have to figure out this. Which should be as simple as... Then there's Unreal. They're very hard to find good tutorials. Um... Yeah. Unreal I didn't even consider, because it doesn't have nearly the community that Godot or Unity has. And I like to be able to, reference what other people have done in order to make my stuff. Um, yeah, I have made systems like completely from scratch. Not to say they were totally unique from anybody else, but like without referencing something else. And it wasn't fun, and it didn't work well. And yeah, I much prefer to have people who enjoy what they do and are good at it, and are also willing to share their knowledge. Unreal definitely feels like more of the double A games, or like upper indie, um, and not really as approachable for beginners and such. You will sing for 1,000 points. I will sing. I will sing a song for 1,000 points. I haven't decided if I would sing the entire song or just part of it, but I will sing a song for 1,000 points. Oh yeah, and I have to change this. Expected end of statement after variable declaration. Found identifier instead. This better? Oh. No. There. How's that? What the... What do you mean? Where's the constructor? How do I do this? Constructor from vector 2. Tile. Oh, I have to do from tile. From without the colon tile. But who is choosing the song? You can make a suggestion, but like if I don't know it, then I have to find one that I do know. Uh, that's right here from vector 2. I pass it in a vector 2. Guess maybe it doesn't know that it's a vector 2? Oh, it's because it's not a fucking vector 2. God damn it. It thinks that it's a... I don't know what that is. Equal if tile is not equal null. Vector 2i equals new vector 2i tile. Damn it. Found identifier. No, you didn't. Oh my goodness. Good grief. I don't have the patience for this. I don't hate learning new languages. I'll. Expected end of statement. It is the end of the fucking statement. What do you mean? There's no identifier. Where is the identifier? Tell me. Tell me where it is. Bar. Am I just not understanding how variables are typed? Don't type variable. Static type. Please. Please. What the fuck? Var colon vector 2 I equals new vector 2 I over what's I will vector 2 fuck. Wait, that's correct. Hell. I think I figured it out. I think I finally figured it. It took an hour. Oh my goodness. Okay. Set cell. What is source ID? Tile set source. The tile set dot set source ID. Oh, okay, it's 2. I know that. 2. Atlas chords. What am I using? Did I ever decide which? But this. What 11.7? No, we'll do 9.12. Nine 12. 9.12. Is that correct? No. Oh my goodness. Please. Do I need to X Y? Oh. should be 912. We'll just assume I'm right. But by default, it's... What is an alternative tile? If source ID is set to -1, alt tile is -1. Oh my goodness. That sells train. No. Alternative tile identifier. Alternative 0. Zero. No. Var atlas lock vector 2I equals new vector 2I 9, comma 12. It. 8 plus. Walk. Goodness me. About that. No. It's fine. I am confusion. It'd just be int comma int, right? Work on my project. Alright. I look forward to it. Good luck, man. Have a good day. Hope you get lots done. Alright. It's still not correct. What if I just do atlas underscore loc dot x equals nine. Ah, okay. I can do this. This is less efficient, but this is... These are the cards I've been dealt. Probably a complete disaster to anybody well-versed in this language, but... get it to work, then I get it to work. Debugger, 402 errors. Tile is outside the texture or tiles are already present in the space the tile would cover. Has alternative tile. The tile has no tile. No atlas source. Tile at 12.0. What the fuck? Identifies a tile alternative in the atlas. If the source is a tile atlas source. Can I just remove it? Yeah, do that. No, there's still 402 errors. Understood. Oh, because it defaults to... Okay, hold on. You. You. No. This one. Well, 9 and 12. No comprehend. What the fuck you mean, bruh? What is this? Oh, that's the... Okay. How do I set it to... I'm still confused. Tiles are referenced by using 3 IDs. The source ID, Atlas Coordinates ID, and Alternative ID. What the fuck? I don't understand what's happening. None found at 12.0. Oh yeah. Why would it be at 12.0? What the fuck? What is it even talking about? Why would it be at 12? The Atlas location is X12, or X9 by 12. So why is it looking at 12.0? That's out. That's like here. Why is it checking outside the bounds of what I've set? I don't understand. Why is it checking 41 too? What the fuck? For tile vector 2 and gen 2. We just fucking... Lovely. First of all, there are so many problems. First of all, it's saying that it's going up until 54. Second of all, it starts at 12. Third of all, why is it looking for an alternative tile? I've told you where the tile is. On layer 1, There's the coordinates. Source ID is... No, source ID is not 2. Source ID is... It is 2. 2, 9, 12, 0. 2. That 9, 12 right there. 0. How about this? Why the fuck would you set the end of a statement after variable declaration? I have to fucking make the variable. What is happening? Help! I don't understand. Why are you doing it? I don't. Why would you expect the end of the statement? You want this? No. 29. Expected end of statement after expression found identifier instead. Well, you just want me to... Is that better? No, I didn't think so. How about this? No. How about just the variable name? Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah, just the variable name. That's good. Yeah, that's how it works. I... Oh my goodness. What do you want? Who is messaging me? What do you want? I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, how it works, why it's doing what it is doing. Uh, I don't like why is just the variable name? Okay. That shouldn't be allowed in the language. What does that even do? I don't get it. I'm so lost. I really, 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 really don't get it. What the fuck? This? You want this? X is not declared in the current scope. How about go fuck yourself? How about that? How about you're an asshole? Is that in the current scope? I hate learning new languages, and this is why, because it just doesn't like I can't do the variable equals something, but I can just put the variable. It doesn't have to do anything. But if it's a lazy variable is what it is. If I want it to do something or equal something, then it just tells me no. But if I'm just like, yeah, you can just sit there and do nothing, that's perfectly fine. You kidding me? How does this even work? Why? What happens if I hit play? What happens? What happens if I do this right now? Mm-hmm. No errors. What the fuck? It was used but never assigned a value. Yeah, I'm aware the line has no effect, but your compiler said that it was perfectly fine like that, so I don't. Uh, What do you want? I don't fucking understand. Good for you, buddy. Literally assigned right fucking here. That is where it's assigned. Look at it. It has been assigned. You know what I can do? This is stupid as shit, but I bet it's gonna work. No errors. Godot, go fuck yourself. Actually, go fuck yourself. Yeah, I gotta. I cannot continue to do this. This is pissing me off, and I'm not getting anything done. So, we'll have to try and finish this some other time. But thanks to everybody who joined in today. Sorry it ended off on such a bad note with me being all pissy, but hopefully it'll be better by next stream. Yeah. Follow if you want to see me get pissed off next stream, I guess. I don't know. Hopefully not. Anyways, if you want to come back in, what, an hour and a half, I will be playing video games and hopefully in a better mood. But until then, thank you and goodbye.